Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Vaibhavi Sawant and let's start with today's headlines. Cryptocurrencies consolidate as global stocks. Currencies face Rout. BTC latches to $19,000. USDC stablecoin market cap falls below $50 billion on Binance. Tornado ban move. Hacker steals $950,000 from crypto Vanity address as exploits continue. Australia CBDC pilot to be completed in 2023. Interpol issues red notice for DogeCoin. Graphics card prices tank in China weeks after Ethereum merge. Failed crypto exchange QuadrigaCX founder launches DeFi protocol UWU Lend. Japan's banking giant Nomura invests in blockchain payment firm. Cryptocurrencies consolidated as global stocks and currencies turn volatile as investors search for safe have assets. Bitcoin traded above $19,000. US stock futures fell, pointing to lower opening of stocks in regular trading hours. As Federal Reserve aggressive rate hikes weighed on economic growth momentum. The British pound dropped to a record low on Monday against the US dollar after the UK government said it would cut taxes again and sell bonds to meet spending. Gold climbed while oil prices fell. The greenback climbed against most major currencies on safe haven appeal. Investors continue to worry over Fed rate hike tragedy aimed at taming inflation. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell last week said the central bank could raise rates as high as 4.6% before pulling back. The forecast also shows the Fed plans to stay aggressive this year, hiking rate to 4.4% before 2022 ends. Investors will be closely watching the release of personal consumption expenditures data, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge on Friday, and durable goods and consumer sentiment numbers. A slew of Fed speakers, including Fed Vice Chairman Lael Brainard, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly, and Fed Governor Michelle Bowman and Chairman Powell are also scheduled to speak at various events this week. The market capitalization of USDC, a stablecoin issued by the US-based payment firm Circle, dropped below $50 billion for the first time since January after cryptocurrency exchange Binance suspended trading in the coin. USDC market cap fell to $49.39 billion on September 26, down almost 12% from its record high of $55.88 billion since 3 months ago. The stablecoin has lost $9.5 billion market cap since Binance's decision to convert its users' USDC balance for its own stablecoin Binance USD or BUSD. The USDC market cap plunge also quickened after the US Treasury imposed sanctions on crypto mixing service Tornado Cash over money laundering concerns, especially since Circle opted to freeze all USDC wallets owned by Tornado Cash after the US government's order. A hacker has stolen $950,000 in Ether from a cryptocurrency wallet through the same Vanity address exploit connected to the last week attack on trading firm Wintermute. On September 25th, a hacker stole 732 ETH and sent it straight to the authorized cryptocurrency blending service Tornado Cash. The recent Vanity address vulnerability, which was discovered on GitHub in January but only made widely known by DEX aggregator 1inch on September 15, made the exploit possible. Several smaller hacks have taken place so far. Earlier this month, $3.3 million was drained from multiple Ethereum addresses. The Reserve Bank of Australia, that is RBA, is expecting to complete its central bank digital currency, that is CBDC pilot by mid-2023, according to a white paper published on Monday. The purpose of pilot is to explore innovative use cases that could be supported by the issuance of a CBDC. The white paper said the project was also looking into regulatory consideration associated with CBDC. The paper did not reveal a commitment from the RBA to issue a CBDC, but the bank is seeking feedback from industry participants that will contribute to ongoing research. The experiment is expected to end in the beginning of next year, with results to be published in mid-2023. Kwon, a co-founder of Terraform Labs, has been placed under red notice by Interpol. Although Kwon has not yet made a statement on Twitter, he has previously tweeted that Terraform Labs is defending itself in several jurisdictions. It was thought that Kwon was in Singapore, where he maintains a residence, but police have confirmed that he is not there. Prosecutors in South Korea have previously said that Kwon was obviously on the run and not cooperating with investigators. The market for graphics cards has been further impacted by Ethereum's long-awaited switch to proof of stake because these devices are no longer able to mine the cryptocurrency. As a result of Ethereum merge earlier this month, GPU prices in China have dropped to their lowest level ever. Over the past 2 months, Chinese vendors of graphic cards have reported spiraling prices for mid and high-end models. Retailers in Shanghai electronics market claim that demand and prices have fallen by almost 40% over the last 3 months. Sifu, the pseudonymous co-founder of failed Canadian crypto exchange QuadrigaCX, has started UWLend, a decentralized finance protocol forked from Aave. Users can borrow against algorithmic stablecoin named Magic Internet Money, that is MIM. The project went live on September 21st and has already secured $57.5 million in total value locked. Sifu, whose real name is Michael Patrin, transferred millions of dollars worth of ETH to coin mixing site Tornado Cash after his stint as Wonderland's treasurer. He was booted out from the role of treasurer after his identity was revealed. Nomura, a major player in Japanese banking, has invested an undisclosed amount in London-based blockchain payments company Finality. Nomura, which recently opened a new crypto venture capital division, will join Finality's 16 other major global backers comprising financial institutions. Finality, initially known as Utilities Settlement Coin or USC, will use the funds to increase its presence in capital market in Europe, the United States and Japan. That's it for today. This is Vaibhavi Sawant signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.